Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. To install the Grok desktop style app on Windows, it's important to understand that like Gemini, there usually isn't a traditional downloadable Windows installer. Instead, you install it as a web app through your browser, so it behaves like a desktop application. Start by opening your browser, preferably Chrome or Edge, and search for Grok AI. Open the official website. Make sure you're logged into your account if required. Once you're on the Grok page, look at the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. In that menu, scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share option. Then choose Install Grok. The exact wording may vary depending on your browser. Click it, then confirm by selecting Install. This will create a standalone app window for Grok. After installation, you can open Grok from your Start menu, Desktop, or Apps list, just like any other program. It will run in its own window, separate from your browser tabs, giving you a cleaner app-like experience. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install Grok 3 on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.